Hello everybody and welcome back to another STEM challenge. Today we're going to be coding but unplugged, meaning there's no computer involved. So before we can start our STEM challenge, let's take a look at what coding is. People that write code are called programmers. They write code in many different languages, like Python, Java, and C#. What's being typed out on screen is code. Code is made up of commands, which are the instructions for a computer to follow. When you put sets of commands together, it is an algorithm. To help you understand code, let's take a look at something you might be familiar with: recipes. You're about to see me make some muffins. I have to be sure that I follow each step very carefully, and each of those steps are like commands in an algorithm. I have to set the oven to 425 degrees. Mix all the ingredients together. Pour the muffin batter into the muffin tin. Place the muffin tin on the middle rack of the oven. Let the muffins bake for 17 minutes. If I followed the recipe correctly, I should have some delicious muffins, and I've completed the algorithm. Now you've learned what coding is and seen how similar it is to following a recipe. Now it's time to get started on your STEM challenge. Here's what you will need. You can get the materials in the description below, or you can make your own. Command cards. Forward, backward, turn left, and turn right. You'll need 16 of each of those cards. Obstacle cards, or actual obstacles. A pawn, a toy, or yourself. A grid that can be the size of a piece of paper, a table, or even your entire floor. And start and stop cards. This challenge is a game that you can play by yourself or with another person. The goal of the game is to get your pawn from the start to the stop. Try to set up your game like this: your command cards to the left and your algorithm to the right. Start your pawn on the start, in the space that you choose. Then you have to use your command cards to tell it where to go and end at stop. You also choose that space. Bobot, the robot, is my pawn, and for him to get to the stop, he needs to go forward 4 times, turn right, and go forward 4 times again. And that completes the algorithm. If you add an obstacle, you will have to debug your first code and fix your algorithm. What will I have to do to debug my code? What alternate route do I need to take? What do you think? With a debugged algorithm, Bobot the robot needs to turn right, move forward 4 spaces, turn left, and move forward 4 more spaces. And the algorithm is complete. Play this coding game with your friends and family and see how many different algorithms you can come up with. Maybe even try different scenarios where you might have to use the backwards card. Whatever you come up with, I hope you have lots of fun. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay curious.